In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a squat on a TRX, and I'm going to be doing a deep squat variation for this video. Now, first things first, in terms of the progression of a squat, if you're doing a bodyweight squat and maybe you're going to a certain range of motion and you can't go any further, the TRX squat comes into a league of its own because it puts you in a slightly different position because you're going to have your arms extended and hang on to the TRX when you do the squat. You should be able to come into a deeper range of motion. However, with that deeper range of motion becomes a very hard task of trying not to use the arms to help you up when you come out of the squat position. So first things first, what I want you to do is have your hands on the foam handles, and I want you to bend your elbows and have your hands slightly above the position of your elbows. From here, I want you to walk back until you have the tension on the TRX. From here, you're going to place your feet hip width apart and your feet are going to be slightly pointing out away. Now, notice how as I come down into this squat, I'm bringing my hips back, my arms come straight, I come down into the squat and back up. Notice how I haven't used my arms to return back to my start position, because in the squat, your start position is actually here. So when we come into that first squat and I'm fully arms extended and I come down, each of my squat variations is going to be with extended arms. Only when I've done my last repetition am I then going to come into that row motion to help me back up. Now, once you've done the squat, it's very tempting at this point to use the arms to get back up. But remember, this is a squat movement. You should be utilizing the leg muscles. And remember, if you can't get as low and as deep as what I did, go to where you feel comfortable at your range of motion and try and progress it over time. That's how to do a TRX squat, which you would repeat for your desired repetitions and sets.